The Aula F87Pro Mechanical Keyboard presents itself as a versatile input device engineered to deliver a comprehensive user experience across a range of computing demands. This model, identified as the F87 Pro, aims to combine robust functionality with thoughtful design for everyday use. At its core, the Aula F87 Pro is a mechanical keyboard, a design choice often associated with precision, durability, and a distinct tactile feedback during operation. A key characteristic is its tri-mode wireless connectivity, offering flexibility through 2.4 GHz, USB, and Bluetooth options. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection is typically favored for its low latency, while Bluetooth provides broad compatibility across multiple devices, and the USB connection ensures reliable wire performance and charging. Furthermore, the keyboard features an 87-key layout, a compact design that omits the traditional numeric keypad, optimizing desk space without sacrificing essential functionality. A notable inclusion is the 5-layer silencing filling, a feature engineered to significantly enhance the acoustic experience by dampening key press sounds and vibrations, contributing to a more refined auditory feedback. Practically, the Aula F87 Pro is positioned as suitable for both gaming and typing. For gamers, the mechanical key action combined with the responsive 2.4 GHz wireless mode offers the accuracy and speed often desired in competitive scenarios. For those engaged in extensive typing, the mechanical switches provide a consistent and satisfying feel, while the internal silencing filling works to create a quieter and more focused work environment. The multi-mode connectivity also supports diverse use cases, allowing seamless switching between a desktop PC, laptop, or tablet. Regarding design and usability, the 87-key form factor implies a streamlined aesthetic that integrates well into various setups. The tri-mode connectivity inherently enhances usability, providing adaptive solutions for different device ecosystems and user preferences. The inclusion of a 5-layer silencing system points to an emphasis on user comfort and a premium auditory experience, suggesting a product built with attention to detail and long-term reliability in mind. In summary, the Aula F87 Pro Mechanical Keyboard offers a compelling blend of features for individuals seeking a high-performance and adaptable input solution. Its mechanical foundation, versatile connectivity, compact layout, and advanced silencing technology collectively aim to provide a refined and efficient experience, whether the primary focus is on intensive gaming sessions or sustained productivity tasks.